Want to know how to use AI tools to write high-converting affiliate copy? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide using the most effective AI software to craft copy that drives clicks, sales, and commissions. Stick around until the end because I'll give you an exclusive, limited-time free trial to the AI software we're using today so you can follow along. First things first, when you're writing affiliate copy, you need to make sure that it speaks directly to your audience's pain points and desires. AI tools are great for this because they help you quickly generate ideas, structure your copy, and even refine your messaging. And today, I'll show you how to do all of that. The first step is to understand the key benefits your product offers. The AI software can help you brainstorm the most compelling angles based on your product's unique features. Simply input a product description or the key points, and it will spit out a list of angles to consider. This is crucial because it saves you time, letting you experiment with different copy directions without overthinking it. Now let's talk about structuring your copy. A lot of affiliate copy fails because it's not laid out in a way that guides the reader smoothly through the content. Using AI tools, you can generate various sections like headlines, subheadlines, bullet points, and calls to action with ease. These tools will suggest formats that are proven to work, so you don't have to guess. Once you have the basic structure, the next step is refining your language. AI tools help make sure that the tone of your copy is compelling and persuasive, while also ensuring it's aligned with your target audience's language. For instance, if your audience is made up of tech-savvy individuals, you can prompt the software to use more technical language. Or if they're beginners, you can ask for simpler terms. This level of customization is what makes AI tools so effective. Another powerful feature of the software we're using is its ability to analyze existing high-converting affiliate copy. You can input a competitor's ad copy or a top-performing piece, and the software will generate similar content that mirrors the style, but with your product. It's like having a high-performing copywriter right at your fingertips. But here's the best part. AI tools can help with A/B testing your copy. You can generate multiple versions of the same message with slight variations in wording, calls to action, or tone, and the software will show you which one performs best. This takes the guesswork out of the equation and allows you to focus on scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. Now, if you want to follow along, you'll need to use the software we've been talking about. And I've got an exclusive free trial for you just for watching this video. You can start using the same AI tool to write your own high-converting affiliate copy, and it won't cost you anything. Make sure to grab it through the link in the description below. So, here's your key takeaway. AI tools are game changers when it comes to writing affiliate copy. They save you time, help you find winning copy angles, refine your tone, and make A/B testing a breeze. If you want to write high-converting affiliate copy quickly and efficiently, using AI tools is the way to go. To wrap it up, use AI to generate compelling copy angles, structure your affiliate content for maximum impact, refine your language based on your audience, and test different versions to find what works best. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below and start applying these tips to your affiliate marketing strategy today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.